Hi everyone, this is Brett Little with the GreenHome Institute. You normally see me doing our webinars and our videos, but I'm really excited to introduce you to our Executive Director, Jose Reyna. He's going to tell you a little bit more about our mission and then introduce you to some of our board members who are going to tell you about how we do our mission and how you can get involved.
I'm Jose Reyna, Executive Director of the GreenHome Institute. The GreenHome Institute is a nonprofit organization that empowers professionals and homeowners to make healthier and more sustainable choices in the places we live. The GreenHome Institute was established in 2000. We provide programs and services in the areas of sustainable housing project consultation, as well as education and training for persons seeking certification as sustainable housing professionals. We work with a variety of people that are passionate about the environment, social equity, and economic viability. It's recognized that housing impacts lives in a multitude of ways, including finances and health and wellness. Housing also impacts our environment, how to restore it and protect it for future generations.
I'm Madeline Walker-Miller, a board member for the GreenHome Institute. Environmental justice is of great importance to the GreenHome Institute. We know that vulnerable populations, income-constrained, or people of color are highly concentrated in areas that are more susceptible to environmental dangers ranging from lead-based paint and other toxic building materials. In addition, the areas in which the housing is located are least likely to have access to parks and other green spaces and lack access to affordable and healthy foods. Because of our stake in environmental justice, we work with developers to encourage the renovation and construction of homes that result in improved quality of life for everyone.
I'm Daniel Morrison, a board member of the GreenHome Institute. GHI provides services with developing your housing project, whether it be a new construction or renovation project, single home or multi-unit project. We offer project design services and assistance throughout the course of your project and help you arrive at your goal of a sustainable home to LEED, Green Star, or other sustainable certification standards.
I'm David Dye, a board member for the GreenHome Institute. Education is a critical component to protect our environment and promote social justice. We empower professionals, homeowners, and communities to make healthier and more sustainable choices in the places where they live. We offer training for consumers that are seeking to save energy and water costs and to make their homes healthier. GreenHome Institute also offers training for persons seeking to earn a certificate as a LEED for Homes Green Rater, or a Green Home Professional, or a Home Energy Score Assessor. The training is provided per our standards established by Green Business Certification, Inc., in conjunction with the United States Green Building Council. Persons seeking these type of certifications may participate through online learning and hands-on field experience. We also host conferences in specialized areas such as net zero energy homes, smart ventilation in a home, heat pumps, and other relevant topics. Through our training, we build momentum for change by giving tools to plan and construct sustainable homes for our communities through effective community partnerships.
I'm Christine Wangi, board member for the GreenHome Institute. The GreenHome Institute has goals to improve our communities by working with partners that can influence large groups of people and impact large populations. For example, we have worked in the city of Ann Arbor to implement the Big Loser Challenge, in which residents compete to determine which household has had the greatest reduction in energy use. We have also partnered with utility companies and neighborhood associations to provide energy-saving tips and devices for their homes. We look to partner with you and your community.
The GreenHome Institute Board of Directors and staff encourage you to join us and become part of the movement to ensure that everyone lives in a sustainable and healthy home. More sustainable building options are available in today's world, and we hope you explore these options when building or renovating your home. You can be a real part of the change by becoming a member, sponsor, or partner of the GreenHome Institute. Consider serving on our board of directors, on a committee, take advantage of our educational programs, conferences, and share our story with your friends. We here at the GreenHome Institute want to thank you for getting to know us better, and we look forward to working with you to make our community and our world a better place in which to live.